Editing individual product pages on a Wix website involves managing your online store effectively. Access Site Editor. Log into your Wix account and access your website's dashboard. Enter the Site Editor. Go to Store Manager. Navigate to your store manager or dashboard within the editor. Locate the product section. Choose product to edit. Find the product you want to modify from your product list. Click on it to open the product editor. Edit product information. Modify the product details such as title, description, price, images, variants, and inventory quantities. You can also set shipping options and taxes. Customize product page design. Customize the layout and design of the product page. Adjust elements like text, images, buttons, and product arrangement to suit your preferences. Add apps or features. Use Wix apps or features to enhance the product page, such as reviews, related items, or a live chat option for customer inquiries. Preview and save changes. Preview the changes made to ensure the product page looks as intended. Save the modifications once satisfied. Publish updates. Click Publish to make the changes live on your website, allowing visitors to view the updated product page.